name is Devin Cook, and today I'm going to give you an update on the October North Texas real estate market. Since the real estate peak that we saw here in North Texas of about May and June of 2022, we've seen even a further correction downward as we saw September average sales prices fall to $375,000, down from $384,000 that we saw in August. And that's overall about a 6% price correction from that $400,000 mark in May and June down to $375,000 right now in October. And right in line with that, we've seen an uptick of days on market where we're seeing homes sitting for longer before they're selling. We had this low point of about 6 days back in April, and then ever since May, we've been ticking upwards by about 1 day a month or so, and now we just saw 20 days on market average as of September, just about 3 weeks that homes are sitting on the market before they're selling. Now that's gonna play a big role in why you're probably seeing a lot more homes on the market than you saw 6 months ago, because homes are sitting for on average 3 times longer than they used to, so of course more homes are going to be on the market. But maybe in accordance with that average price drop, we've actually seen a decrease in the amount of new listings coming to the market, because here we saw this peak of June at 19,450 new listings coming to the market, whereas just last month in September we only saw 13,000 new listings. And what that means is that September compared to June, we've seen 30% less listings coming to the market. However, as a result of homes sitting on the market longer, we've actually seen the month's supply, the amount of inventory in total on the market, creeping upwards, because we saw this low of about 1 month supply of homes on the market in January and February. And what that number means is that from this day forward, if no one listed their home on the market 1 month from now, all of the homes will be sold and there would be effectively 0 homes listed for sale. So the higher that number is, the higher the month's supply, the longer it will take for all of the homes on the market to sell. And we've seen some massive growth in the month's supply on the market, because right now we're sitting at 2.7 months supply, which is almost 3 times as much as we saw at the start of this year. And even though, as I just showed you this graph, we are seeing overall less homes being listed on the market, we are still seeing more homes overall for sale. We saw 11,000 back in February. Right now we're sitting at about 28,000 homes for sale on the market. That means you have over double the amount of inventory to choose from when you're out shopping for a home, which is a great thing for new buyers coming to the market. However, buyers are still going to be hurt by the 7% or so interest rates that you're facing on that 30-year mortgage, which is pushing a lot of people to start considering ARMs again, getting a 7-1 or a 5-1 ARM to try and lock in a lower rate with hopes that the rates will drop in the future and you can refinance back onto a 30-year mortgage. Now, when we look at the luxury market here in North Texas, everything from $1 million and up, we're going to see a lot more sporadic data just because there are less homes available in that price point. So we're not going to have as smooth of data points as we do with the rest of the market. You're going to see that right here on this graph. It's very choppy, but we do see that the average price point $1 million and above is going to be $1.33 million, which is down from September of last year at $1.44 million. So just down about 7% since last year. But just in line with the rest of the market, we are seeing overall homes are sitting longer on the market in those luxury price points. We saw the days on market decrease from January of 20 days down to about a low of 6 days in May, but then ever since then we've been creeping up and are about 26 days on average in those price points. Now, what's very interesting to see when we look at the month supply for the luxury price points is we actually see that 3-month supply in February, which is still a seller's market, but then we see right now where we have a 6-month supply as of September. And what that means for the luxury market over $1 million is that they're actually in a neutral market. No longer is the luxury market here in North Texas a seller's market. Anything from 0 to 6 months is considered to be a seller's market. About 6 months is a neutral market, and 6 months and above is going to be considered a buyer's market. So luxury real estate here in North Texas is kind of on that cusp of turning into a buyer's market again, which we haven't seen for quite a while. And for total home sales above $1 million in that luxury price range, we have seen a small tick down from a peak we saw in July down to about 2,500 homes that are being sold per month. And we see a big decrease in new listings coming to the market, only 700 luxury listings last month. Pending sales, also a massive decrease down from May of 632. Right now, we only have 333 pending sales in September, which is about a 50% decrease. And total closed sales since June in the luxury market, we saw almost 700, but then September we saw 400, so about a 30% decrease. What this is meaning is that the real estate market is shifting, and we do typically see that shift in the luxury price points first, and then it trickles down into the normal market. So what does that mean for you, someone looking to sell your home or buy your home? Well, if you're looking to sell your home and you have a luxury listing in this market, be prepared to get less money overall for your home than you would have gotten a year ago. The market just isn't that hot anymore, and in that luxury price points, as you saw, we really are in a neutral market. Expect to have your home maybe sit a little bit longer. You're gonna need to be more aggressive with the price and more aggressive with the marketing. Now, if you're looking to buy a new home in the luxury price point, you are gonna be at a bit of an advantage because homes are sitting a bit longer. You're gonna have more to choose from, and you're not gonna be competing with as many other buyers for the same property. And that applies not only to the luxury price points, but also to the normal price points under $1 million as well. If you have any questions, shoot me an email and we'll get connected.